Okay, next one up. I think we're going to have another Minger of the Month, Kawasaki Versus. This is a local trader who thought he would give me a bike or two to mint up so he can advertise. I wasn't here when this was dropped off. I wish I was, as he doesn't want to spend a whole lot of money on it, but she is freaking filthy. Been stored for some years. Just absolutely filthy. Had a flat tire on it, he dropped it off and it proceeded to fall over. Luckily didn't do too much damage, but yeah, she is absolutely hanging. And like I said, he doesn't want to spend a whole lot of money getting it cleaned up, typical of traders. So we will do what we can in a couple of hours. This is what my nightmares are made of. What the hell is that? Look at that. Ugh. Anyways, wish me luck. Let's get my magic wand out to see if we can work some miracles. There you go, just under 4 hours. This Minger of a Kawasaki Versus has been trotted. What a transformation on this beast. This has been sitting for years, so it was in dire need of a bit of cleaning. Managed to sort out all those rusty discs. Calipers have all been minted. The wheels, I spent hours just doing these wheels alone. All that back disc has been sorted. Everything's had a nice coating of XCP corrosion protection on it afterwards. Degreased all that old gritty chain lube off of there. Everything's been blow dried, all re-lubed. Extra XCP on nuts and bolts. I just did a single stage polish on that tank. Ready to go, just under 4 hours. Get yours booked in now. 07966 249 963.